We're in that yellow number 7. Got about 3/4 of the car he started with. 22 machine. That's Mike Schmidt Jr. out of Mandan. He's a local boy here in that 22 machine. Ton of sponsors in the old Riviera. Pretty blue paint job. Oh, Jordan Hackler getting pinned up against the side there, and Dookie is the other blue number 7. The 2-7 sandwiching them. Come on, get a run on him. Come on, Mike. Get a run on him. He's trying to go. Come on. Come on. This is your home track here, Mike. Get a run on these boys. You got the best looking, what's left of your car now versus the other one. There you go. Pile them up. Come on, Mike, down your shot. Oh, you had him on the turn. 2 blue cars, 2 7 cars, and 22 cars. Get him up there. Push him up there, Mike. If you can get him up, hung up on top of that berm, you can time him out. How many people want to see Mike Schmidt, the local boy, win this thing? Come on, Mike, cheers for you. How many people want to see that number 7 car? Robert Strauss, Dookie. How many people want to see Dookie win this? There you go. Jordan, I would ask if anybody wants to win it, but I think your chances just got brought way, way down. All right, they're flagging it. That means this heat's over with.